Hello, the first stuff we just took did not come, so I gotta re-edit everything, don't I? Well, yeah. It's October 29th, and we have like 4 feet of snow out there. I'll show you in a little bit. But we want to show Aston and Taylor right now. They're just playing. Yeah. We have a little cabin fever. So we put on a little, well, it came out before it's perfect. This is Dave at Boulder in 2001. Great show. I first moved there like a year before, and he was playing Folsom Field for the first time since Paul McCartney in '92, so that was a cool show. But anyway, it's all about the kids, right? It's all about the kids. Yeah, we want to get some good shots. Yeah. What are you doing? No, what are you doing? You can't sit on her. What are you doing? I'll show you the snow in a little bit. It's ridiculous how much we have. Yeah, what are you doing? What are you doing, smiley, laughy girl? Smiley, laughy, you want to sit on my lap? You like sitting on the lap when I'm on the floor, don't you? Let's get some footage of Aspen. Just some footage of good old Aspen. Yeah. Should really remove the vacuum back there, but I'm not. Kind of have to use it for the fireplace a lot, so it kind of stays there. There's no place to put it right now until our basement gets done. That'll be nice. Then we'll have this closet emptied out for it. Be nice. What do you have to say, Aspen? You took the sippy cup today, didn't you? Yeah. You took the sippy cup today. You liked it, didn't you? Yeah, what do you have to say, Taylor? Taylor, what are you doing? Careful. Let's move her over here. Okay. We don't have to trip over that over there. Your grandma should have been here. I should have been to the airport, Taylor. Your grandma and great uncle are coming. Yeah. What? No. What's that about? Oh, little girl. Taylor, you helping her out? You patting her on the back? You're getting her PJs? Thank you. We took these off because we were dancing, and it's hard to hold with her with zipped up pajamas. So. Oh, okay. We have to come back? What, maybe not? What was that all about? What was that 2 seconds of fussiness all about, girl? What was that? What was that, girl? What are you doing to her? What are you doing? You're not hungry, you just had some milk. You're not cold, it's warm in the house. We got the heat and the fireplace. Should we go show outside and see what it's like? Alright. Oops, I'm looking. Okay, so this is the window in the house, which has got to be up to here in my body, so over 3 feet. And the snow is higher than the window over here. Now some of it is drift, as you can see, the wind blew and it comes up. But it was insane. We had a lot of snow. That means I have a lot of shoveling tomorrow. Should we go over here? Look at this. Out the window, well above the window. Crazy. What's going on over here, girl? Yeah. Little Leroy. Rest in peace, Leroy. We miss you, buddy. Oh, the battery's going. Alright, we're gonna cut it off as the battery's going. We'll be back probably later with a little footage. Bye.